6, the battle between the family of Gabby Petito and the family of the man who murdered her boyfriend, Brian Laundrie, is now expected to stretch on for at least another year. A judge said today that the civil trial should begin in May of 2024. But as Fox 13's Evan Axelbank reports, there will be some crucial moments in the case before then.
Going into this, all parties know this will be the only chance for the case of Gabby Petito to see the inside of a courtroom, given her killer is already dead.
I recognize the media attention.
Judge Danielle Brewer gave the lawyers 15 months to gather evidence and argue about what should and shouldn't be included in their presentations over whether Brian Laundrie's family secretly knew Gabby was dead but pretended she was alive in public.
We really have not been able to take a lot of discovery, meaning depositions of the witnesses, even uncovering who the witnesses might be beyond our own clients.
Although the judge set a trial date of May 13th of 2024, she said 2 hearings should be held May 24th of this year. One on whether a previous lawyer for the Laundries, Stephen Bertolino, should be included in the suit, and 2, whether a letter that Brian's mother wrote him that included the phrase "burn after reading" should be shown to the jury.
Our position is that the letter was written before Brian and Gabby even took their trip, and it really has no relevance to the cause of action that the plaintiffs have brought.
When it comes to the evidence that has so convinced the Petito family that the Laundries knew what happened to Gabby without saying so publicly, lawyers for Laundrie's family say they don't yet know what that is.
My clients have never seen that investigative file. I assume the Petito family has never seen the investigative file. So I don't know that anybody really knows exactly what the evidence is, if there is any at all.
The attorney for the Laundries also says there's even more they haven't seen, including a file of how the initial case was investigated that they've requested under the Freedom of Information law from the FBI. When it comes to civil trials, they march to a much slower beat.
Civil discovery is different than a criminal case. In a criminal case, you get police reports, body cam, evidence. You get that very quickly. In a civil case, discovery is much more expansive.
Will it lead to justice for Gabby Petito or vindication of Brian Laundrie's parents? Evan Axelbank, Fox 13 News.